Hi, today we will look at a class 11 chemistry problem. Calculate the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in bromine, which has an atomic mass of 80 and atomic number 35. We will first list down the given details as Z, atomic number which is 35, A, atomic mass which is 80, and now since the atom is neutral, the number of electrons will be equal to the number of protons. So the given atomic number 35 is nothing but the number of electrons and the number of protons. And now we will consider the formula that number of protons plus number of neutrons will give us the atomic mass. Substituting the values, we can say that 35 plus number of neutrons is equal to 80, which implies number of neutrons is equal to 45.